Hey class, my name is Wesley Graham, and I am going to be presenting to you guys my portfolio so far and the outline that I'm going with. So this is my base page, the title here. Here's my little intro talking about myself a bit, with including my major hobbies I like to do, and the fact that I'm on the club team for the soccer like I shared with you guys in class. Little picture and a bio, just a few things. And here are the tabs. I have the project one for the first one, the instructional video, project 2, and project 3. So those are all there. I'm trying to go with like just a nice modern look that's like real simple and sleek, really easy to read, real easy to work through and navigate. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make it not necessarily basic, but definitely like understandable for a basic viewer. And yeah, I'll probably try to add a little more color, but I'll probably stick with the blue and white theme. And yeah, so there's my layout so far. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.